IDRIVE is a service developed by EIT Manufacturing to reskill and upskill European manufacturing workers. In these COVID times, we need to reinvent ourselves, and one of the great opportunities to do so is with education. With regard to education, we have some challenges in Europe, but we also have great opportunities. Manufacturing is at the core of this situation. In fact, the fourth industrial revolution is a very good opportunity for all manufacturing stakeholders. When we think about education, we believe that there are two big components. One is the content, and the second one is the way to deliver, to access, and use this content. IDRIVE is based in these two main components. The first component is the content. Content is king. This is the reason we have a great partners ecosystem, developing the content the market is demanding. The second main component is the platform. The platform included in IDRIVE is the GLP, the Guided Learning Platform. The GLP is not another new platform in the market. It's a revolutionary and manufacturing-oriented platform for several reasons. I'll give you three of them. The first one, it has to do with the university-business relationship. Using the IDRIVE Teaching Factory, we have both worlds. The world of the academia to apply research and innovation, and the world of industry to find practical solutions, hands-on solutions. The second reason is about the connectivity with the manufacturing shop floor and devices. The learning factory of iDrive is able to connect with physical plants and devices to provide very practical training. And finally, the third one, personalization. The content accessible from the GLP is composed of small pieces of knowledge. These pieces can be organized in different ways according to the user's demands. Therefore, we'll be able to customize the learning process. If you are interested and want to have more information, of course, you can go to the EIT Manufacturing website, and especially to the iDrive landing page, will be available very soon. We expect iDrive and the Guided Learning Platform will be your education manufacturing service. Thank you. Thank you very much.